I'll show you exactly how to find leads faster for SMMA. That is because I generated thousands of leads for my own business. And the old strategy for generating leads used to be this lengthy process that takes hours and often messes up. You need to set up ICP, find everything, source leads, yada yada. But what we're going to do instead is use AI to generate leads. So first, what you want to do is literally just set up your ICP. Most of you will have this done, but if not, let's do it with me. First, you need to determine the industry. So basically, who are you targeting? Is it real estate? Is it chiropractors? Is it dentists? Is it hair salons? What is it, right? For me, let's say SaaS companies, right? SaaS companies that are B2C, basically targeting people, regular consumers like you and me, not businesses, in anything about content creation. Size, I don't want anything more than 200 employees. So 200 employees. Job title, I want to target maybe CEOs and CMOs, something like that. And location, USA. That's all the information you need. You can literally write it out in a minute, right? And now you go to this app called leadsforge.ai. Leadsforge.ai is basically a search engine to find leads. It's just how you use ChatGPT. You use this and you can generate leads super easy. You log in, you'll get 100 free credits. So just try it out for yourself. Okay, let's describe your ideal customer. I want CEOs or CMOs of SaaS companies in the United States in the content creation industry. 200 employees or less. Let's see. Boom, we click, it's generating. And here you go, we have almost 3,000 leads right away generated for us. What we can do then is just select all of them, right? Click enrich and select what information we want. We can do outreach via LinkedIn, outreach via email, or both, right? If you do both, you can use Salesforce, enrich those leads, use Salesforce to write hyper-personalized cold emails by using that LinkedIn data. And simple as that, you can do this. You can repeat this process for whoever you're targeting with your SMMA. Again, anything, roofers, I don't know, dentists, chiropractors, people who lay asphalt, right? Gyms, whatever you do, you don't need this lengthy process anymore. Just do this and you have leads for days. Now, if you want to see how to actually outreach to those people, check out this video where I share how to send 10,000 cold emails a day.